আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত আমি কথা পাতিম হিষ্ট্ৰী অফ আছামিজ লিটাৰেচাৰ এ ব্ৰিফ হিষ্ট্ৰী অফ আছামিজ লিটাৰেচাৰ ওপৰত আমি আজি অলপ ডিছকাশ্যন কৰিম এই এপিসোডটোত আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিম দ্য অৰিজিনেশ্যন অফ মডাৰ্ণ আছামিজ শৰ্ট ষ্টৰী আৱাহন মেগাজিন প্লেড এ pivotal role in the growth of short stories in the 1930s during the period of the Second World War the Assamese writers were influenced by Marxist ideas Syed Abdul Malik is regarded as one of the greatest short story writers of the post-war period Some of his famous short stories were Pran Puar Pisot and Jishu Christor Sobi. Malik's magnum opus is considered as Parasmani that was published in 1946. Other two major works of this period are Birinchi Kumar Borua's Jibonor Batot and Devkanta Borua's Hagor Dekhisa. The Assamese short story reached its zenith in the 1960s. The writers contributed in the legendary magazine called Ramdhenu, which was edited by the stalwart of Assamese literature, Mr. Birendra Bhattacharya. The Ramdhenu era has been regarded as the second greatest age of Assamese short stories. Writers of this age rejected decadent romanticism and sentimentality and embraced realism in their works. এই পিৰিয়ডত অসমীয়াৰ লেখকবোৰে ৰিয়েলিজমৰ ওপৰত বেছি ফোকাস কৰিছিল। Mahim Bora's experience as a freedom fighter served as material for his remarkable story of delusion that was Tritiyo, Srenir, Yaatri. Some of the outstanding writers of the Ramdhenu age are Mahim Bora, Birendra Bhattacharya, Rohini Kakoti, Mihirkanta Bora and Saurabh Kumar Soliha. One of the most prominent writers of the post-Ramdhenu age was Bhattacharya, who wrote in Notun Prithvi magazine. His short stories were realistic, which is portrayed in his first story collection titled Bastob. Some of his famous works include Sahitya Academy Award winning Madhupur Bahudur, Jibon, Torun, Kodam, Biswas and Jibonor Rong. Legendary Assamese novelist Mamuni Roysam Goswami made immense contribution in the field of Assamese short story. Some of our famous short stories were Riniki Riniki Dekhisu, Yamuna and Nangot Sohor. Sahitya is a remarkable short story writer of the present age. Two important works by Mr. Sahitya are Adda, published in 2005 and Mrityuhinata, published in 2001. One of the famous contemporary writers of Assamese short stories is Imran Hussain. His work displays intimate knowledge of the world of folk culture. Hussain's Kudum Deu Aru Onanyo Golpo is a remarkable collection of stories published by the Sahitya Academy in 2003. Apart from the writers mentioned in this video, there are innumerable writers that have contributed immensely to the growth of Assamese short story legacy. Please check them out. Most of my materials has been collected from the book History of Assamese Literature written by Mr. Gobinda Prasad Sarma that was published by Sahitya Academy. The next video will be published on Assamese novel. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel True Indian Patriot and like this video and share it with your friends. This will help me immensely to give you more knowledge. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind.